I hope you enjoy making a new pair of earrings and have a beautiful day. They have a 4mm bicone crystal here in the middle, and then you can dangle more crystals here at the bottom. These earrings use a wire guard along with your ear wire, 2 4mm bicone crystals, and a larger 6mm crystal of your choice, and size 11 seed beads. And I like to use just a little over 2 feet of thread on a size 12 beading needle. Begin with 8 seed beads on your needle and bring them down near the end of your thread, and then needle back through your seed beads. Then come back through 2 more, pulling it all together to form a circle, and then put 1 seed bead between every 2. One through the next 2, pulling it into place. 1 more through the next 2, and the last one coming through the next 2, and pull it into place. And then step up into the one sticking out. You don't need the tail anymore, so you can go ahead and trim that off. Let's add the bicone in the center. 111, 1 bicone, and 111. Coming out of this one, needle into this one, and pull the bicone right on top of all the seed beads. Needle back through the seed bead, bicone, and seed bead, and come back through the other side of the size 11 that you started with. Next, we need 11 seed beads, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 11, and come back through the size 11 that you're exiting. Let's do the same up here, needling along the edge of my crystal, coming through the side, through the next 2, and through the size 11 here at the top. 11 more seed beads, and back through the opposite side of the one that you're exiting. Now we're going to needle right over here through the next 2, and stepping into the one on the side with 5 more seed beads. Needle into the third one up, 1, 2, 3. And then come back down into the 5 seed beads that you just added. Step through the one on the side. Five more seed beads, needling into the third one, 1, 2, 3. And then needle back through the 5 that you just added. Again, stepping through this one here on the side and pulling it all tight. We're going to needle over here to this one, coming through the 2, and then this one here, through 2 more, and step into the one on the side. 5 more seed beads, needle into this third one, and then needle back through the 5 that you just added. pulling it tight, coming through the one in the middle, and pull everything tight. 5 more seed beads. Needle into the third one. 1, 2, 3. And then go back through the 5 that you just added, and the one here in the middle. Start needling along the edge of your work. At this point, I like to come into the bottom of the third one. And then continue along the edge and through the one here. Now you can add whatever beads you want here at the bottom. You can attach the crystals at the bottom with size 11 seed beads, or you can use size 15 seed beads if you have them, like I did in this one. So that's what I'll do again. 2 of the size 15 seed beads, my bicone, and a 6mm faceted round, and one more size 15 seed bead. And bringing all those up next to my earring, skipping over the seed bead on the end, coming back through the crystals and the other 2 seed beads. I want to try to keep this up here next to everything and just pull the little seed bead on the end up to next to it. If you don't quite get it, you can hang on to it and try again. And then needle into the other side of the seed bead down here at the end. Again, you need to retrace your edge. Just working my way to the top. Continuing. When we get up here near the top, we'll come through this one. Now I'm ready to attach my wire guard and ear wire. Needling into one side of my wire guard, and then down the other, and back through the size 11 here at the top. Retrace this a few times. I went through 2 times on the wire guard, but I think 3 is good. We'll go one more time, as long as you're comfortable getting your needle and thread through. And make sure that the thread sits in the little channel of the wire guard. And then I'll just bring my thread a few beads away from the wire guard. You can add a half hitch knot after a bead, and then come through 1 or 2 more beads, trim off the thread, attach your ear wire. I hope you enjoy your new pair of earrings and have a beautiful day.